Another step in looking at a wardrobe is really being strategic about the sizing of things. So in this case, you're going to look at not only, oh, how much long hanging do I have in this closet? We've got some long pants are long hung in here, and there's some additional long hang dresses here. So we're looking at how wide these should be, but also we have to be strategic about the size of things. So this section, the size of these drawers was actually driven by this TV. And so initially we were thinking about making these 24 wide, but this TV, it was going to be about a half inch too small and it wasn't going to fit. So actually these drawers became 30 because it was driven off the size of this TV. So this is one of the places where custom design can really help you, because sometimes people, if they were trying to buy some kit, they may not realize, oh wow, maybe that space in there is not going to fit my TV or something, or my the different things that I've got. So you've got to be very strategic, and in many cases with a 3D design, you can see, will this work, won't this work? And sometimes even as a designer, I may think it may work, and then I go back and I'm like, oh, that needs to be a little deeper, it needs to be a little wider, or I can use a standard drawer versus a custom drawer to kind of keep costs down. So there's a lot of strategy when it comes to a custom wardrobe, and that's really part of the service that we would provide for you with a free 3D design and consultation. So to learn more, go to innovatehomeward.com or call 614-545-6888.